Hello, my friends. It's Monday, December 19th. The market just closed. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and I want to say a few words today to all of those who are new to trading or who are not trading but would like to. If you are thinking of trading and trying out trading, the first thing that you should do is study the market. Most people, when they start trading, they open up a brokerage account and they trade a few contracts or a few shares if you're trading stocks. I trade the E-minis and micro E-minis. But I'm suggesting, and I'm really advising, not to open up a brokerage account. Go to TradingView, open up a charting account at TradingView. You can paper trade your charting account and you won't be tempted to trade real money. Trading, the first thing that you need to learn in trading is the trade setups. Now, what are trade setups? Trade setups are basically patterns that have formed over and over again over time, and so they give an indication that if they hold, that the indicator, the setup will follow through. So when you see a trade setup, you can trade it knowing what should happen based on the setup. But what are trade setups? Trade setups are just observations based on the past. So the first thing that you should learn as a new trader, a newbie, a novice, is learn how the market moves. Observe how the market moves. You've got to do this for 3 months. I promise you, 3 months. Don't trade real money if you haven't observed the market for 3 months. And I'm not talking about taking a look at a chart for 5 minutes, walking away, and then coming back at the end of the day. I'm talking about really looking at the chart. If you don't have time to trade or to give sufficient time to watch price action, then you're not going to be able to understand the trade setups when they develop. You can learn the trade setups, but again, the trade setups are based on previous patterns that have held over time. So the second thing that new traders do, and it's a bad habit, is to fill up their charts with indicators. Now, there are 200 different indicators you can fill your chart up with. I only use a few. I use the stochastics, which you can see at the bottom of my chart over here. I use my trading zone, which I calculate, which is a pretty advanced feature. You don't really need it unless you really are serious about trading. And I use the previous day's close. This is the black horizontal line. And those are the only 3 tools that I use on my chart, other than the most important tool, which is right in front of us, the actual price action. And the price action today, well, you see the prices traded within the trading zone, or for the most part within the trading zone. I calculate a trading zone every day based on averages of the previous several days. It's based on Taylor's trading technique, and most professional traders use it. But still in all, it's an indicator, just like the stochastics. It doesn't tell you exactly where the market is going to go, but it gives an indication of where the market might go. But still in all, it's the price patterns that dictate the trade setups. Now, the good news is there are only 6 trade setups. Only 6. Those are the only setups you have to know are 6, and they're easily recognized. Well, some of them are easily recognized. Some of them are not recognized until they're over. But nevertheless, in order to understand the trade setups and appreciate the information that they'll tell you, you have to be experienced at seeing how the market moves. So my recommendation to you today, if you are a new trader, a novice, or just thinking about trading, observe the market. Go to TradingView if you want to really work with it. If you really want to get your feet wet, go to TradingView, open an account, and trade paper trading using TradingView. And if you want to learn how to use TradingView, you can. It's a little bit confusing, but nevertheless, it's not. Most of you are not going to have a problem. But still in all, I give complete instructions on in my trading course at timelessdollar.com. So that's what I have, the advice that I have for new traders. And for all of those of you who are well into trading, trade safely, use a lot of patience. And for everybody, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.